vlog back. Hopefully you can hear me, it's a wee bit windy. This is my first vlog of 2026. It's currently the 3rd of January. We have come out today to Callander. We're actually trying to chase the snow because it snowed in quite a lot of places in Scotland. Well, obviously not Glasgow because it never snows in Glasgow. However, there is also no snow here. I mean, there's kind of a wee bit of snow, but like not really what I was expecting. So unfortunately I don't think we're going to see a lot of snow today. But Callander is just a nice little town in Scotland.
Nice bakery.
Love coming here. So yeah, we were actually meant to be moving back to the flat today, but I think we're going to take all of our stuff up and get our Christmas tree down and go put it somewhere and then head in tomorrow morning. But I thought it'd be nice to vlog today. It's very cold.
It's chilly today.
Yeah, but I love it. This is my favourite type of weather, like sunny and crisp.
A bluebird.
And really cold. We also stopped at an antique shop on our way and I actually tried on a wedding ring, but didn't end up getting it.
Half price.
It was half price, so I was like, can I try this on? But didn't get it.
Because Danny got Juliet a really oddly shaped engagement ring.
Yeah, my engagement ring is like a weird shape, so I can't get like a normal, just a normal band. But I'm sure we'll
So then you
find
wear
something.
your engagement ring over the top of your gloves, just so.
Yeah.
Because now people
kind of matches my mum's gloves. Other hand. Back to the flat and my Christmas present from Danny came. He got me a Stanley. Actually, I've already probably posted what I got for Christmas haul by the time this vlog goes out, but he got me a Stanley cup, but it didn't come in time for Christmas. Then when it did arrive, they'd actually sent the wrong colour, or he'd ordered it actually wrong, but the new one has just arrived. I'm so excited. Also, the flat is a complete mess. It's so nice. He got me the rose quartz one. The one he had ordered originally was cream, but this was the one he intended on getting.
Oh, it's nicer, yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Are you happy
It's
with
so big.
enormous. Well, your one is a litre, isn't it? Your
I think so.
Nalgene.
What's this?
1.18, I think. I don't know why it's that. That must be like an American.
Now we're gonna take our Christmas tree down.
New Year's Eve.
Oh, cute.
Wow.
Move the back
Oh, I
on.
got it. I got it. Wow.
I'm so sad the tree's going. It feels like Christmas went so quickly. Bye bye. Bonesy, you're back. Back home.
Same glass. Do you want to revisit your 10Ks or your 5Ks?
Maybe a 10k.
Under the other?
Under the...
Yes.
We've just got back to the flat after our little coffee date, and this is currently the state of it. It's so bad. And Danny's invited friends round tonight, so we are gonna have to have a big cleaning and tidying day. Oh, hi, phones. I have just sat down with a cup of tea and a couple of biscuits. As you can tell, today we just had a really big cleaning and tidying day. We also went out this morning actually when we got back to the flat and wrote down some goals for the year. So that was fun. The tidying and cleaning, not so much. We still have a few things to do, but Danny has some people coming over this evening to watch the American football. Not gonna lie, there's nothing I would love more than to have a chilled night, but people are coming over in half an hour. But I'm just sitting down and having a cup of tea first. I feel like it was a good reset day. I always find that to me, like the new year starts once we're back from my parents' house.
100% agree.
Like I'm not starting the new year when I'm back at home and there's still loads of tasty food and drinks to be had. So the new year for me starts tomorrow. I'll maybe go through some of my goals at some point, but my 2026 diary hasn't actually arrived yet, so I just had to write it in a notebook, but I'll show you when that arrives. And I also have my new Stanley here as well, which I've been loving. I also will be keeping on my cozy Snoopy set. I don't care if anyone judges me.
X-Files movie last night.
Oh my god.
Electric.
We watched last night, sorry, this is very impolite. We watched last night the first X-Files film. And guys, best film I've ever seen. It was absolutely fantastic. I enjoyed it very much. We have been so excited to watch it because we love the X-Files. If you're watching the X-Files TV show right now, then it's between, the first film is between season 5 and season 6, and it was so good. Good morning. Today is my allocated first day of the year. Today's the day I'm starting back at work. Obviously I work freelance, so my first day back looks a bit different than I'm sure some other people's. Not going into an office or anything, didn't have to start work at 9, which I'm very, very grateful for. But I have quite a big to-do list of things I need to do today. I have work for my freelance job and then also some things for myself that I need to do. I was thinking I was going to start with my freelance stuff, but I want to try do some brand outreach maybe for myself, so I might spend a couple of hours doing that instead first. Danny and I went out this morning and dropped the books at the charity shop that he started out yesterday, which was good. And then one of my other tasks for the day is to look through those clothes, because these bags have been sitting here for so long. The one underneath has actually honestly been there for like maybe even a year, maybe more than that. So I'm determined that I'm going to look through them today, take some stuff to charity shops and put some stuff in Vinted. I have quite a lot of other things on my to-do list, so I need to get started. I have a PDF that I send to brands that I would like to work with, and it has not been updated for quite a while, so I feel like I should do that. Hi Bonesy. Honestly, the reality of doing this kind of job is that most people actually don't reply to my emails. The majority of like brand partnerships I've had and stuff like that is actually brands reaching out to me, but maybe something will come of this. One of my goals actually for this year is to try and get a brand partnership every month. I thought I could just update you with different things I've done. I emailed one brand that I really want to work with, but we'll see if they reply, because it's a brand that I use a lot. I only ever email brands that I really like and actually use, because obviously I'm not going to do like paid work with brands that I don't like. But yeah, they usually actually don't reply to me, but fingers crossed for this one. And right now what I'm doing is going through my, I don't even know what to call this, because I technically work for myself. I have a PDF where I put in all of my earnings, whether that be from freelance stuff or UGC collaborations on my social accounts, just so that when it comes to April, which is when the tax year is, I have everything written down and I don't have to go back through and check, except I'm really bad at doing this, so I'm actually having to go back to like November. But it's not like I work with that many brands, so it's pretty easy to catch up on. This is the first year that I've had to do this, and I have absolutely no idea what happens in April when I have to submit tax things. I'm trying to do all the annoying tasks today that I have been putting off for ages, because it's a new year, new me. I'm gonna keep on track of things. I was really hoping that my 2026 diary was gonna come today, but I don't think it will, which is so sad. Gym session back for 2026. Not excited. Obviously I was doing my running before Christmas. I actually haven't been to the physical gym for a while, but I need to get back into it. I am also going to then start running again because I'm gonna potentially do a half marathon, hopefully. Also, I look so bad with this hat on. Ah, it's so cold.
Wow, it's freezing.
For dinner we're having ramen. A bit late for that. We're having it with just some veg and chicken. A very easy meal after the gym. I haven't filmed anything for a couple of days, but I didn't want to end this vlog off before showing you my new diary because I kept talking about it. It actually took ages to come, which is very annoying, but this is it. I got it from Papier. I've had a diary from them for the past few years and I really like them. I feel like they have such a good layout. It's one of these ones where the full week is on a double page. I hate the ones where it's a separate day per page. That's just so annoying. Like, I don't have enough stuff to fill that with. But I got this one. It kind of reminded me of Chanel a little bit, and I just put my name there. I kind of wish I'd done capital letters, but it doesn't really matter. I will say though, I filled it out this morning and I already made a mistake, and that is like so irritating to me. I saw a video the other day on TikTok of someone being like, if my life is completely transformed or something like that, it's because I got a new notebook. And then the top comment was someone saying, like, then I make a mistake and never use it again. And that's how I feel about my notebooks. If I make a mistake, I like just can't look at them. So I'm quite frustrated because my pen leaked through the pages and then I just like kept using it, and now I've switched to another pen, but now it's irritating me that not all the pages are the same. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to show you my new diary. I really like it. Then I actually just got a new dress, so I thought I would show you that as well. I haven't actually opened it yet. If you watched my what I got for Christmas video, I got a dress from M&S that was long and it was brown with white polka dots, and I loved it. It was such a nice fit. So they had another color which was cream with black polka dots, and it was on sale, so I bought it. This is what it looks like. We're actually going out for drinks tonight, so I could potentially wear this, but I don't know if it's maybe a bit summery. The only thing is it's not the exact same size I had before. I actually had the petite length before and it fit really nicely, and this was just regular because they didn't have any petite left. But I think the only thing that changes with that is the length, so I guess it doesn't really matter if it's a wee bit longer. But right now it is currently 3:30. I'm gonna do a wee bit of my French class. If you have been watching the vlogs over the past couple months, then you'll know that I have been trying to learn French, but I didn't really do any in December just because I had a lot of things going on. So I'm gonna try get back to it today, but I feel like it's gonna go badly because I literally can't even remember what I've learned. I feel like languages just do not stick in my head. So who knows if I'm actually ever gonna be able to learn French, but at least I'm trying. And then I need to start getting ready to go out tonight. We're going to a little wine bar that I've never been to before, and then I think we're going somewhere else after. I'm not really sure where. I'm thinking this is what I'm gonna wear tonight. I tried the M&S dress on and I really liked it, but obviously it's quite summery, so I'm just gonna go with this dress. It's quite tight, but I am so cold, so I kind of want, obviously not gonna wear my slippers, but I kind of want just to be all covered because I'm freezing. I've attempted to curl my hair in really small bits, so I kind of wanted like a Carrie Bradshaw look, but that did not really happen.